Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Packet Mama, and today I'm going to go over the thermal double crochet stitch. So I've already chained 13, and now I am going to work a row of double crochet into the back bump. So that's just turning the chain, yarning over into the second bump from the hook. You're going to just insert your hook and make a double crochet. And again, this is going to be the first foundation row, so I will meet you up at the end to go over the next row. Okay, so I've come to the end of the row, and just like the other thermal crochet stitches, it's easiest if you flip your first row horizontally, and that way you can see what you're working on. And then we're going to chain 2 and yarn over, and into this first stitch you're going to work into the back loop only, and then the chain from below. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, to complete it just the same as a traditional double crochet. So again, you're going to go into the back loop only, the loop from the chain below, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's all you're going to do until you get to the end of the row. And I will meet you up then to go over the next row. Alright, so I've come up to the end, and now just to do the second row, you can either turn your work or keep working in this vertical fashion, and you're still going to chain 2, and then you're going to yarn over and into the back loop only, insert your hook, and then the unworked front loop from the row below, the previous row, and then just work a double crochet as traditionally done. So again, back loop only, into the unworked front loop of the row below, and that's all there is to this. I'm going to work up a few more rows and then show you how to finish off, and a small swatch as well. See you soon. Okay, so I've come to the end of my row, and now I wanted to show how to finish it off, because as you can see, there's this ridge here from the previous row that has an unworked front loop. So in order to finish off, you're going to turn your work and chain 2, and you're going to yarn over and into this first stitch. Instead of working into the back loop only, you're going to work through both the front and back loops, pick up the unworked front loop from the row below, from the previous row I should say, and then you're going to yarn over and finish as a traditional double crochet. Sorry, apparently there's construction going on and it's super loud. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's all you're going to do. Work the same thing, but through both loops, through the front unworked loop from the row below, and then finish off. So I will finish this off and show you what my completed swatch looks like. Okay, so I've come to the end, and this is what my finished swatch looks like for the thermal double crochet. It's a really great texture, and then also it has less gaps. I mean, still has gaps that you can get your fingers through, but it's less than a traditional. I hope that was helpful, and I am sorry for the noise again. Apparently construction's going on in the area, and yeah, please stay tuned for more, and visit my channel for the other thermal crochet stitches. Thank you.